Hi guys, we are back and he has done it again. Last night was no different. Saturday, as a matter of fact, when Dalton gave us all goosebumps. Here he is again on the X Factor stage with Beyonce's Listen.
Dalton House!
Wow. Whew. I can't even run a joke and say I could do that. Because I couldn't. That's brilliant.
Brother. He couldn't even speak after that performance. He was done. Somebody made a joke on social that his fatigue was as a result of Beyonce's spirit leaving his body. But he left it all.
Yeah, man. That was brilliant.
On the floor.
That was brilliant.
All on the floor. So, yeah, votes are open now. And
apart from the contract, what else him win?
I don't know what the X Factor winner gets. I don't know if there is money involved. I've never really checked. But truly, I mean, it's always cliche, I would say it all the time. But even the judges have said it to him that, you know, Dalton is incredible. And he already has that, you see his stage performance?
Yeah, man.
It's like he's been doing it forever.
Yeah, he won Rising Stars in 2010.
He was 16 when he won Rising
2010.
Stars. But his craftsmanship has grown, and he's an entertainer, and he's a performer, and he's emotive, and he takes you on all of the hills and the highs and the lows that you're supposed to as an entertainer. And I think he's got it. That it factor that the
like me.
stars.
Yeah. I have that it factor too.
Yeah, I have something. I don't really sure what I call it. It factor necessarily.
What do you call it?
Eh?
What do you call it?
Me tell you, no go break.
Tell the people, Maida.
Me tell you, no go break.
Losing 5 in just a little while. So come. Can just call me.